Well, it's January 16th, 2022, and we're going to check out Moonshiners Cave, a hidden cave where they used to store moonshine or make moonshine, not positive. And you park here, we'll see the hiking trail. There's the pole, and right across is the hiking trail. It'll take you to Moonshiners Cave.
Well, you drink in the morning, you know you drink at night.
Now, anytime you see a fork on this Moonshiners route, always stay left. Stay left, stay left. If you stay left long enough, you'll eventually get right. Whoa.
And the way you swallow that bottle, look out to be your middle name. You got whiskey on your floor, gin in your trunk.
So that's it. They say it's 0.5 mile, but I would say it's about 0.25 miles. That ain't, because this clearing here, you'll come to this, it's not a big clearing, but you know, you got all those trees, and then you come down, and then it's kind of cleared out here, and you're on this level, slightly level ridge. Well, this is the top of Moonshiners Cave, and so we're on the roof right now, and you can scramble down here to the right.
Now you know you drink until you fall. Caught you in the bathroom, drinking rubbing alcohol. Said you drink so much, baby. It's a low down dirty shame. And the way you swallow that bottle, don't you know that liquor ought to be your middle name? Well, you know you drink all the time.
Moonshiners Cave.
I know now, baby, you messed up all in mine. I said you drink so much, baby. It's a low down dirty shame. And the way you swallow that bottle, look ought to be your middle name.
Lucy, I'm home.